13.80, 13.83, or 13.84 jam errors in the 3-bin stapler stacker. Remove any paper from the output bins. Open the upper right door and remove paper from the input area inside the door. The fuser is hot while the printer is in use. Wait for the fuser to cool before clearing jams. Open the right door. Remove the fuser. And remove any jammed paper. Reinstall the fuser and close the right door. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.